Hey, this is my analysis on NVDA going into this week. NVIDIA got a little bit of a pullback this past week, and definitely a little bearish with this candle, but I'm not super concerned. I think a pullback was due. NVIDIA, come on, like ripped, ripped like crazy, and then had another very strong week the week before. So this pullback doesn't really concern me at all. I do like that on the weekly chart, we held this wick high right here from a few weeks back at 419.77, pretty much 420. So I like that we held 420 on the pullback. Switching over to the daily chart, I really like this support level right here that has held up. So I think that NVIDIA should definitely hold this level in order for us to see more upside. This candle on Friday isn't really showing a big bounce. Like I would like to see, maybe a bounce like this or like this. It got a little bit of a baby bounce. So it's holding 420. I want to see if it can continue to hold, but also just keeping an eye on this downtrend here to see if NVIDIA can break it. I think that yeah, if NVIDIA can hold support, that it will definitely go for the break here. I just want to see what we do Monday, Tuesday, if we continue to kind of squeeze between support and this trend line, or if we finally go for the break higher. If we do go for the break higher, I would definitely expect a little bit of resistance maybe here at 426.75, just because we held this level. This was resistance here, support here, support here. Um, and we kind of pulled up to it on Friday and rejected. So I would like to see for more confirmation if NVIDIA can break and hold over this 426.80 level, 427 basically, for more upside. Um, I'd also keep an eye on 430. If NVIDIA gets the move higher, you can see we definitely have activity at that level. We have resistance here, support here, resistance here. And we didn't quite get there on Friday. But yeah, that definitely could be another area where we see some resistance. So I know we're kind of up here in the nosebleeds with NVIDIA. It's, at all time highs. And we don't really have much to look left on to get levels of resistance as it heads up. But I think what's important on NVIDIA, like any stock that maybe is at all time highs, like even Apple, what I would like to see is NVIDIA holding resistance as support to show that it wants to go higher. So it needs to clear these levels, clear this level, needs to clear this 435 level, needs to hold 438. Those are just levels that I would continue to watch for resistance and watch for NVIDIA to break and hold as support to go higher. Also wanted to just take a look at the analyst ratings that came in this past week. On the 22nd, Mizuho reiterated their buy rating on NVIDIA, raised the price target to 400. So they are still bullish on NVIDIA, which is a great sign. Also, the price target that came in before that from Morgan Stanley was 500 overweight. So, another very, very, very strong rating coming in right there. So I think Nvidia can push higher, but I just want to see what the overall market gives us to work with this week. If for whatever reason Nvidia loses support here, um, I could pull support down a little bit more just because that wick high up there could also hold up as support. If it can't hold here, then there's definitely room to move back down to 410 and to 408 and to 406 if NVIDIA can't hold. So let's see what the week gives us to work with.